Yeah, welcome to our group. Okay, so we were just planning to start some conversations from the day one of Navratri to day nine. Okay, so today is day one of Navratri, that is 17th of October. Okay, so this is the day one, and as a in Navratri we worship the goddess form of this. The goddess in form of power. So we, as a male runner counterpart, we look to the female runner as a powerful runner because male actually वैसे अगर देखा जाए तो actually we will have this conversation in Hindi and English also. Okay, so the Hindi speaking or the Hindi language crowd will also be a part of it. Okay, तो यहाँ पे कैसा होता है कि नवरात्रि में मतलब जो शक्ति होती है तो शक्ति की हम लोग पूजा करते हैं। तो आप लोग जो हो फीमेल ट्रेनर्स, आप भी एक शक्ति का हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा जो प्रतीक हो कि आप अपना घर का काम करके पूरा बच्चों को संभाल के हस्बैंड का काम देख के सास ससुर अगर हो गए घर में तो उनको पूरा देख के आप अपना टाइम निकालते हो और उस निकालते हुए टाइम से आप ये आपकी जर्नी कंटिन्यू करते हो। तो ए बिग सैल्यूट फ्रॉम all ourselves to all the women runners out there in the entire world. Okay, they are doing a wonderful job, and I really respect all the female runners who had achieved anything in their life because being a wife and being a runner at the same time, it takes means it's hell of a lot of efforts. Actually, we know that because as a male runner, we know हम सवेरे उठ के शूज पहन के हम लोग चले जाते हैं, लेकिन फीमेल रनर्स ऐसे नहीं कर पाते। उनको बच्चों को देखना पड़ता है, बच्चों का स्कूल, बच्चों का टिफिन, वो सारा सारा देखे, हब्बी का टिफिन, हस्बैंड का टिफिन, पूरा पूरा वो काम करके देन शी टेक्स सम टाइम off and she goes for her own runs because we have experiences very much. Okay, so I think we will start the conversation with how you started your journey, is what made you start your fitness journey, and how all it happened, which was your first run. You can share it.
Sure. Actually, I've been a regular 9 to 5 job person. So in 2015, I left my job to become a homemaker as my daughter required me at home. And as you said, for a woman, it is the responsibilities fluctuate hote rehte hain. So I couldn't give that kind of attention to my daughter
Right.
at home, and she was getting into the higher standards. So thoda sa I had to be at home for her. So I
Hmm.
decided to quit my job
Hmm.
and be at home.
Okay.
Now, being a full-time person who works,
Hmm.
after being at home, I didn't know what to do.
Hmm.
So I joined the gym.
Okay.
Gym joined Kia and all, and simultaneously, actually, my husband is into running, and
Okay.
he started running in 2011.
Right.
तो वो जाते रहते थे सब टूर्स के लिए रनिंग
Yeah.
रिलेटेड
Yeah.
और
Okay.
अकेले जाते थे एंड आई टू लाइक ठीक है जाओ and suddenly he said one day he wants to do the Ladakh marathon.
Hmm.
And then I was like, I looked at him and I said, you're not going to go alone.
Hmm.
ये मैराथन में आप अकेले नहीं जाओगे. You're going to take us and go. Like, I
Okay.
have a daughter, so we were like, we will go together, and my parents, like the family.
Okay.
So he was like, okay, I'll take you, but you need to run. You at
Hmm.
least have to do the fun run there.
Okay.
So that was his condition. So then मैंने सोचा ठीक है I'll start running since I'm already gym में तो वैसे 2 किलोमीटर treadmill में हो जाता है.
Hmm.
I'll do that. So that's how my journey of running started.
Hmm.
And I did my first 5 kilometers here only in Navi Mumbai.
Hmm. No,
And
no, no. Wait.
of course the
I will just,
first
I
run.
will just stop over here. Have you done that 2 kilometer run in Ladakh?
Pardon?
The 2 kilometer run in Ladakh. So have you gone with that?
The Ladakh, the run was of 7 kilometers. So
Okay.
I had to prepare for it.
Okay. Okay. So you
Kilometer I used to do on the treadmill in
treadmill.
the
Okay.
gym. No,
Yeah.
I started in the gym.
Okay.
In the on the treadmill I used to run. 2 किलोमीटर तो करती थी. So it was that gave me the confidence कि I will be able to do 7 kilometers. But
Okay.
it was a task.
Okay. Yeah. It
So
is
that's
a
how
task.
my journey.
Right. How can you differentiate the difference between the running experience on a treadmill and running experience outside, with on open roads or open fields? Means
Oh, it
how do you
is
judge both the
a
runs?
lot of things. The
Okay,
factors, the external factors makes a lot of difference. The
makes a lot.
humidity, because
Hmm.
आप gym के अंदर हो, the AC is on and you are comfortable, like you're
Right.
running 2 kilometers 20 minutes also आराम से कर रहे हो. It's like that. But when you're out, it is really very difficult. It's not easy.
Okay. Which was your first event and such? Is you earned some medal or something?
Yeah, my first event was like practicing for this. Like I started with 2 kilometers, then my husband took me outdoor running में 3 kilometers हो गया, 4 kilometers हो गया, and then finally it was like 5 kilometer का event. He registered me for just try and see. So that was in Kharghar.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे I went and I did my first 5 kilometers.
How much time you took
It
for the
was
first
tough.
5K? How much time you took?
Around 45 minutes लगा मुझे.
40,
It was
45 minutes for
tough.
the 5. Good. Yeah.
Plus 5K. So that was that feeling after completing, like the finish line thing was unforgettable. Like
And
it was too good.
wow, nice. So your
Then
first
before
experience.
that, after that I did the 10K also the next month.
Okay.
ये जुलाई में हुआ, and then in August I did a 10K. That was
Okay.
in Chembur, and
Within
in
a
that
1
run
month.
throughout.
Okay. Within 1 month
Yeah,
you switch on
within
from
1 month.
5K. Okay. I think that's was because of your fitness workout in gym.
Yeah, maybe. And then I was, after that 5K, I was running regularly also.
Okay.
So then the 10K, my husband paced me throughout. So
Okay.
my first 10K was in 1 hour 17 minutes. So that was also,
Wow.
I was pretty happy with that.
Good timing. 1 hour 17. Okay. Because
Yeah.
my personal timing was 1 hour 30 minutes for my first 10K.
Okay.
Good one.
So I was pretty happy. So, but unfortunately in 2015, we couldn't go to Ladakh because
Why?
we had booked everything.
Okay.
Because just before we could fly to Ladakh, I was down with dengue.
Oh.
So I couldn't go. So then the August में तो मेरा 10K हो गया. Then because of the dengue, I had to take a break, and then again in November I did a 10K, and I went on doing that. We went to Goa in December. So there I did the fun run again, about 6 kilometer. So I was enjoying the whole process of running, and of course TMM के लिए I was too late. So 2016 का TMM I couldn't do.
Okay.
So, but the process started, like running every day, and that
Okay.
was fun.
Then when was your first time that you did your half marathon? The first half marathon?
Half marathon, I did it in 2016, the IDBI one, the first IDBI edition.
Okay.
That was my first half marathon, and I took 3 hours, 1 minute to complete.
3 hours 1 minute. Okay. Nice. It's no, actually actually what we do during running, we don't actually look for the time, because we actually I personally believe that we have to run for an event for just to be happy. Okay. Yeah.
True.
Because we as a fitness, we as a fitness journey, we just run it for fun and for health. Okay. So in that, timing doesn't matter. टाइमिंग अपने आप इम्प्रूव होते जाता है, मतलब जैसे जैसे हम बहुत ज्यादा रन करते हैं.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर इम्प्रूव नहीं होता तो भी.
हाँ, तो भी it's
yeah. Because I have like my PBs are like just there, but I have not achieved, like I have not achieved a sub 60 in 10K yet. I have done a 62, but 60 भी हो जाएगा if I want to, but then I really don't bother. Like ठीक है, it's okay.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, अगर उसकी तरफ अगर ध्यान जाएगा तो क्या होता है कि तुम्हारा जो ये रनिंग से मतलब हमेशा तुम लोग फिर ये दे दो वॉच देखो, अरे ये टाइम इतना टाइम हो गया, अरे इतना टाइम हो गया, अरे इतना टाइम हो गया,
Right.
तो वो जो रनिंग का जो है
Right.
ना मजा उसमें से निकल जाता। हाँ, जो those people who are do they want to do a career in running, right? They want to go for the podium finish and all. For them, I think they have fixed a goal. I have to go for a podium and I have to prepare myself for that. So these people, they are well focused on that. We as a fitness runners, we are satisfied with our own. Just we have to beat our yesterday's timing. But I think that is the main thing.
Right.
Okay.
It's
So you,
basically a passion.
yeah, passion.
Yeah.
Hmm. So during your say suppose first year of running journey, have you faced any injuries as such? Uh,
I didn't get you.
if, during your first year of journey, running journey, have you faced any injuries?
Injury? No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. No injuries at all.
Not. There was like certain things, yes. The first 21K करने के बाद muscle ache. There is muscle ache. Like 3
Yeah.
days, you really cannot climb stairs,
Yeah.
and there's stiffness in the muscle, but no injury as such.
No injuries.
Never.
It
Like
means because
I
of
have
that injury.
gradually
Yeah. Because some runners are there.
graduated.
They stretch
Hmm.
themselves. Yeah, actually, because why I am putting this point over here, because injury is a major factor in derailing your activities, right? Because suppose if you, because your body gives a call. Suppose if you are running at a pace say 6.5, okay, and you feel that 6.5, okay, मेरा body उतना pace ले रहा है, so why shouldn't I switch it to 6? So in that,
Right.
he tries to push his body, and during that
Right.
pushing, his body is not really prepared for that the pace of 6, and after
Right.
that, and then the body is prone to injuries because your body is not prepared for that. You have not prepared. Uh, you have not done any strength training for that. Okay, so as you know,
Correct.
if you want to increase the pace, you have to develop all the muscles that are there by doing strength training,
Correct.
and then you can go and increase your pace, because increasing
Here I
pace.
can say,
Yeah.
here I'm also lucky that my husband was running.
Hmm.
So he knew how to take me forward. So it's like gradually I went forward. I was not jumping into things.
Right,
Like it
right.
was like 10K kar liya, so then it was 12K, then 15K,
Hmm.
18K, slowly it was happening. So I think that was the reason also that there was no injury. And touchwood, ab tak kuch injury nahi
Which,
hai. It's like that.
okay, okay. So you have a very good hand holding support of your husband.
True.
That's very nice to see you. Okay, then after you done your half marathon, then after how much time you switch on to full marathon?
Full marathon is only in 2018 that I
80.
did a
Okay,
proper full marathon. That was PMM after almost 2 years.
almost
But
2 years.
my journey for ultra marathons had started in 2017.
Okay,
I started ultra marathon.
okay. You started
If you want
your
to know the reason,
preparation. Yeah, yeah. Reason for that.
I think it's easier to do a ultra marathon
Hmm.
than a 42
Then 42.
because
Okay,
42,
why? Okay, why?
yeah,
Why?
because I think 42 is more time bound.
Hmm.
So there has to be some strategy to complete it in a particular way or something. But in an ultra, you can just keep running. It's like, of course, the reputed ultras do have time limits
Hmm.
to complete it. But then it's like quite, you can complete it. आराम से भाग के आप enjoy करके you can complete that distance.
राइट। अच्छा ठीक
And
है, अभी अल्ट्रा का भी
endurance,
टॉपिक छिड़ गया है, तो आई विल आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन, व्हिच वाज योर लॉन्गेस्ट अल्ट्रा?
longest run like in a day.
या इन अ डे मींस
I did last year. I did last year at the Bangalore Stadium Run. the
Okay.
12-hour individual run, where
Hmm.
I clocked 82 kilometers in 12 hours.
82
So
kilometers
that
in
was
12
my
hours.
longest.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. So
But
how
kilometers,
was that experience? How was that experience? Can you share it?
it was wonderful. It was wonderful because in 2018,
Hmm.
we did the Mumbai 12-hour
Hmm.
individual run.
Hmm.
So that experience was already there with us.
Hmm.
So I had a very comfortable strategy where I was like, I will run 4 hours at my comfort zone.
Hmm.
जैसे जितना होता है, like, and
Okay.
after that the next 4 hours would be like the 80-20 strategy, which was also very comfortable, where
Hmm.
800 meters I was running and 200 meters I was walking.
Okay.
And the last one was last 4 hours was like in a 60-40 kind of a thing.
Okay.
And the last 2 hours was basically I went very aram se, because I knew my target was around 75 kilometers to achieve 75 kilometers, which was like, I knew I would achieve it aram se. So it went on 82 tak chala gaya phir. So
Wow, wow.
completing 12 hours.
It
So it
goes for a
was a
clap.
very comfortable.
उसके लिए clap चाहिए. 82 kilometers in 12 hours, in climate like Bangalore.
Then the whole strategy of when to eat, and energy refueling and all that. So experience aa gaya tha after doing the ultra run. So it was very comfortable run, and Bangalore weather is very good. So
Hmm.
that also gives you a boost.
Okay,
So
okay.
that was
Now
nice.
we will just switch on to what type of what is your like food habits or such, because to be physically
Uh,
fit or to run we have to take some proper diet also, because सिर्फ भाग के तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. भागने के बाद या भागने के दौरान अगर जो कुछ भी हम खाते हैं, राइट, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सिर्फ भागना इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, राइट. तो जैसे अपनी गाड़ी में मुझे पेट्रोल
right,
चाहिए, अब पेट्रोल सही रहेगा तो ही गाड़ी दौड़ेगी. So what are your
right.
can you share your diet plans or something? If
I don't have a diet plan as such. I mean, I just eat normal food, ghar ka khana, but
घर
I'm a
का खाना.
non-vegetarian.
Okay.
Yeah, so since I'm a non-vegetarian, protein आ ही जाता है.
हाँ.
And of course, we need a lot of protein in our food, because we have to build our muscles.
Okay.
And of course, before a ultra marathon, we have to do a lot of carb loading. तो
Mhm.
वो फिर वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मेन्यू चेंज हो जाता है. We
Mhm.
eat a lot of carbohydrates. Otherwise, majorly it's a lot of protein, especially in the first half of the day.
Mhm.
And you later on during the night, it is very light food basically. So, and it is purely, I don't take any supplements, because
Mhm.
my protein intake non-vegetarian food se ho jata hai. Like I have eggs and things like that. And
Okay.
no supplements as such, except when I do ultra runs.
Mhm.
During the run, yes, I do use a little bit. This I was very excited to do this run, because it was the Nav run. So it was basically about women empowerment.
Mhm.
So I thought of wearing a Navari and running.
Okay.
And this took me back to my memories. I did run Pune to Mumbai in 2018.
Okay.
And when I ran from Pune to Mumbai, I ran in a Navari sari for the tree.
Wow. Wow.
It took us 3 days
Mhm.
run. So I ran in a Navari sari. So it took me back to those memories. Like it was a beautiful day that day.
Mhm.
So I was really nostalgic and very happy to see this on. I think this is the Pune newspaper, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The, yeah.
Okay. With the
The
second pick, I think this is of which run?
This is this year only. This was my last run, I think, before the lockdown. It was on 8th March, Women's Day, by LE Sports. It's a
Okay.
Women's Day run organized by them. So this was the last run before COVID
Before COVID.
attacked us. Run. So it was a memorable run. Last wala tha. After that, no events.
After that, पूरा बंद ही हो गया अभी. Okay, okay.
Yeah, completely. I hope
Completely.
they start.
Nice one. आपका जो रनिंग का जो पोस्टर है, you look very good in running attire.
Very good in
Running attire.
I didn't get it.
Running
Okay,
का जो
thank you.
like a true sportsman जैसे लग रही हो आप. बिल्कुल.
Oh, lovely. Thank you. That's a nice compliment.
ओके. अच्छा, तो ये दो बंदे कौन है? मतलब ऐसा, मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता कि कौन कौन इसको कोई पहचानता नहीं है रनिंग कम्युनिटी में. आई थिंक दिस मे
That's
बी
what
योर.
I was surprised when you said ये दो बंदे कौन है. Yeah, this is of course Sunil sir and Sangeeta ma'am. It was their event only जो आपने पहले पिक्चर दिखाया था. तो ये विप कलेक्शन एक दिन पहले जब गई थी तो उनके साथ फोटो निकाला था.
Yeah. Actually, I met Sunil sir and Sangeeta ma'am in this event. अभी उसका ही मैंने टी-शर्ट पहना है देखो. Yeah. So
Okay.
this was the event in which I met them for the very first time. Okay. I think that was a veteran 2017 edition. So they came to Pune. Yeah. After we completed our run, we all had a chance to take selfies with them, to do a chit chatting. Yeah, regarding each and every aspect of running. And वो दोनों इतने, the both are very down to earth. मतलब ऐसे अभी हमें पहले भी लगा था संगीता मैम, सुनील शेट्टी इतने बड़े इसमें है, मतलब वो हमसे बात करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, हम तो कॉमन रनर है, राइट. लेकिन ऐसे उन्होंने कभी फील नहीं होने दिया कि एक्चुअली कि उन्होंने बहुत सारे रन किए और हमने सिर्फ एक ही रन किया अभी उनके सामने, तो हम उनके सामने कुछ नहीं है. वैसे उन्होंने कुछ वैसे फील नहीं होने दिया. इट वाज वेरी ऑसम.
इनफैक्ट मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ कि आई थिंक 2016 में मैंने संगीता मैम को स्टेडियम रन करते हुए देखा था. एंड दैट वाज लाइक अ बिग 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 थिंग. 2016 तो मैं 10 किलोमीटर भी आई वाज मुश्किल से भागती थी. एंड उस दिन मैंने तय कर दिया कि आई एम गोइंग टू बिकम एन अल्ट्रा रनर लाइक हर. तो still a long way to go, but yes, somewhere I'm reaching.
Right. मतलब संगीता मैम is your inspiration. ऐसे अगर मुझे बोलेंगे तो I think सही रहेगा.
Yeah. She was my. I mean, it was amazing to see her run, and believe me, she was the only woman running in the stadium among all the men. I don't remember if she was doing the 12-hour or the 24-hour run. One of them she was doing, but it was amazing to see her run. I was like, when she can do it, I can also do it someday.
I think she had also done a 48 hours. I think as I know.
Yeah, both of them have 48 hours.
हाँ, 48 hours. अभी आपको पता है आपने 12 hour किया तो 48 hours में कितना effort लगेगा? I think you can. आप ही बोल सकते हैं.
I still am 24 hours कैसे करने का? You know, it's like next aim वैसा है, but it's very difficult. 12 hours is फिर भी manage. It's like 12 hours से उसको 18 hours कैसे लेना है, उसके बाद 24 hours कैसे करना है. It's a big thought process. मतलब slowly maybe I'll reach there someday. Let's see.
Good. Okay, अभी next pick आ रहा है. I think that will be interesting. हाँ. तो ये वाला क्या पिक है? मतलब फॉर्मिशा
ये भी दिस ईयर यही साल का है. दिस वाज द महाराष्ट्र पुलिस रन एंड ये कृष्णकांत जी है. दिस वाज अ फोटो इन ये प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वाला दिन का है. They kept a big function after the run at the Maharashtra headquarters, which is in Kolaba.
Okay.
So we got a chance to go there. तो वहाँ का you can say the conference room or was used as an assembly hall before. तो वहाँ पे हमारा prize distribution. I was a pacer in this event, so
Okay,
I
means
got
for
this memento.
half marathon or full marathon you were pacing for?
I did the half marathon
Okay.
as a pacer with him. Yeah,
Okay.
so वो तभी का, of course this year in February ये event उनका first event था.
हाँ, first
So
event था.
hopefully next year also, yeah, so next year also it was a nice event.
Good. We can.
Let's see.
I
Hopefully
can
next
see
year
the
also.
yeah. I can see the confidence and the joy in your face, right? Because being he is also a very good runner, as you know.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
he is an Iron Man also.
Yeah. He is an
One was
Iron
cancelled,
was
but
cancelled, but
yes, this pic. Yeah, it's a lovely pic, and this pic is of another event actually, which
okay.
happened last year.
Hmm.
But yeah, we were a couple ambassador for that event too, and this event did not happen unfortunately.
Unfortunately, because I was just looking. अरे इसका तो date I think it was JNM half marathon 2020. फिर बाद में मैंने date देखा. It
Yeah,
was I think in June. It was June something
June.
date.
Yeah, it was in June.
Yeah. 28th of June.
Yeah,
28th June. Because ये COVID का
yeah,
तो उस time वो it was very much peak time पे था. Okay.
right.
Then to being with a runner hubby and to join an event as an the couple ambassador, I think that is because I think
In fact, my Pune to Mumbai journey also,
okay.
he was a pacer for my group. My husband was the pacer, so
Mm-hmm.
he also has done the Pune to Mumbai journey together with me.
Yeah. So being a runner husband, he knows what it takes to be a runner.
Um, it feels amazing. I mean,
Yeah.
nothing like that. I mean, you are allowed to do whatever you wish to, because then he also understands कैसे मतलब you can say as a runner we know okay we have to come home कि
Hmm.
एक दूसरे के ऊपर भारी नहीं. It's like if the wife does not understand कि मेरा husband भाग के आया है
नहीं
about how
हमको भी
this
हाँ अभी ठीक है अभी सवाल निकला तो मैं पूछता हूँ हमको भी ये मतलब रहता है कि ये रनर हस्बैंड और वाइफ अगर में रनर रहेंगे दोनों तो घर में वो लोग कैसे रहते रहेंगे एक्चुअली वी ऑल हैव दैट क्यूरियस एटीट्यूड तो मतलब कैसा होता रहेगा हमें हाउ डू मतलब जब आप अगर घर के अंदर बातें कर रहे हो तो वही रनिंग की आप बात करते हो ज्यादा या फिर अपने इसकी
Not
because
really. We
yeah
don't talk about running. ज़्यादा तो इतना बात नहीं करते. Yeah, initially when I was learning, he has kept me grounded. Like आप बोलते हो नए runners बहुत excited हो जाते हैं to and they start jumping. तो he kept me grounded. उन्होंने मतलब advice दिया कि अभी इतना मत कर, उतना कर. So that
right.
had been a good advice. अब ऐसा हो गया है कि I am more into running. And of
Okay.
course for him it is more of a like jab time milega I'll run. And
Okay.
I am a more of a regular I've got into running like where I do my strength training properly and things like that.
नहीं
But then
आपके
of course when we go
आपके स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग के
outdoor for
वीडियोस
run,
तो मुझे फेसबुक के ऊपर हम लोग देखते हैं इट इज वेरी वेरी इंस्पायरिंग आपके तो
you,
डंबल शंबल्स आप लेके मतलब हमको भी मतलब इतना हम लोग नहीं कर पाते जितना आपको
अभी नया स्टार्ट किया लॉकडाउन में.
हम्म
I started that in lockdown. मतलब with the weights I started in the lockdown. वरना मैं normal strength training करती थी. अभी weight training अभी शुरू किया है lockdown में. Something new to try. पहले gym करती थी. Gym छोड़ दिया था because I had taken up running. I left gym because running I was enjoying running so much. So अभी फिर से I don't like weights so much. Weight training इतना पसंद नहीं. Of course it helps. It helps.
Okay. I think this is also okay of Mumbai.
Same event. Yeah, the police where I was I told you I was a pacer there. So
Right. I think
same event.
आप ये लेफ्ट में हो ना तो लेफ्ट में यू आर सिटिंग फ्रॉम द सेकंड वन ना
Yes.
ओके हाँ क्योंकि मैं रनिंग अटायर में मैंने आपको अभी देखा है अभी इसमें तो पहली बार दिख रहा है वैसे
Okay.
लेकिन फिटनेस शोज कि अगर आप किसी भी फिटनेस जर्नी में हो तो जब आप फिटनेस में नहीं रहे तो बाहर जब आप घूमते हो तो घूमते के टाइम जैसे आप चलते हो जिस तरीके से आप उठते हो बैठते हो मतलब लोगों को एक ऐसे ही लगता है कि व्हाट अभी मेरा जो अगला क्वेश्चन है वो इसी तरफ है कि हाउ रनिंग इज हेल्पिंग यू इन योर डेली लाइफ या डेली एक्टिविटी और योर कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग जब आप लोगों से मिलते हो बात करते हो तो हाउ दिस रनिंग हैज हेल्प यू इन अ पॉजिटिव वे या फिर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मतलब होता है ऐसे कुछ
नहीं नहीं, डेफिनेटली इट्स बीन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव चेंज इन माय लाइफ. ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है. आई मीन, इफ यू हैव टोल्ड मी टू कम फॉर अ जूम सेशन लाइक दैट, मैं शायद 4 साल 5 साल पहले नहीं कर पाती. तो
ओके
इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग भी हुआ है, टॉकिंग टू पीपल, मेकिंग न्यू फ्रेंड्स. सारा रनर कम्युनिटी इतना हम्बल है, लाइक दे लिफ्ट यू अप. थोड़ा सा भी छोटा अचीवमेंट हो, यू फील हैप्पी. एंड इट्स अ नाइस फीलिंग, लाइक एक अलग कम्युनिटी ही हो गया है हमारा. तो ऑफ कोर्स अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग हुआ है, उठना बैठना जो भी आप बोलते हो बाहर. या यू फील कॉन्फिडेंट, दैट इज व्हाट आई कैन से. इट हैज आल्सो डिसिप्लिन्ड मी. हमारा काम जैसे संभालना होता है घर के अंदर घर के बाहर. So all that organizing, planning your workout for the next day, things like that. So it's pretty. And running also teaches you a lot of things. It is basically जब आप भागते हो, I can call it my me time. बहुत सारा
राइट
thought process होता है. फिर आफ्टर अल्ट्रा रनिंग में तो मेडिटेशन तक चला जाता है. यू रियली डोंट नो आपके आसपास क्या हो रहा है. यू जस्ट रनिंग.
राइट
It's
राइट
like
राइट
that. It's a lovely feeling.
राइट मतलब जो
Yeah.
लोग जैसे आंख बंद करके करते हैं वैसे आप खोल के करते तो गुड वन गुड वन I think yeah I have done with the pics now. Okay, now we will just share some thoughts regarding your fitness journey तो हो गया. Okay, now how what are your future plans for running? I mean, how do you look मतलब कभी अब मतलब अगले यार में 10 साल के
धीरे
बाद
धीरे.
आप आपको कहाँ देखती हो ऐसे कुछ सोचा है
I know I will be running till my last breath at
That's
least.
it.
उतना तो I mean I will be running. कुछ नहीं करूँगी तो at least भागती तो रहूँगी, that is for sure.
Right.
And छोटे छोटे targets build करते रहती हूँ. I want to be one little step further than what I am right now. मतलब जैसे
Hmm.
बोलते be your own competition. तो
Hmm.
दैट्स इट. लाइक मैंने आज अगर एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस कवर किया है तो उससे 1.1 किलोमीटर ज्यादा कवर करना चाहती हूँ. दैट इज बेसिकली माय एम. धीरे धीरे
Right.
करके आगे बढ़ूंगी, मतलब
Okay.
दैट्स इट.
सभी जो नए लोग हैं जो मतलब नए the new persons are there or the new maybe girls or women who want to start their career in running. So what kind of advice you can give it to them so that they can start their journey?
फर्स्ट थिंग इज, जो नए लोग हैं दे आर, आई विल से, दे वेरी ईगर टू कंप्लीट अ रन विद इन अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम. इतना
Okay.
हो गया तो अब इतने में करना है, उतने में करना है, या अपना डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज करने की जल्दी रहती है. सो
Okay.
इट इज बेसिकली व्हाट आई वुड से देम, इट्स अ वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस.
Hmm.
लाइक मैं अभी जहाँ हूँ, आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बिग रनर और एनीथिंग, बट yes, there's been a lot of body changes also in me. Like
Hmm.
काफी कुछ develop हुआ है, and it has taken me 5 years to
Hmm.
get where I am. So it is
That.
not going to happen overnight.
Hmm.
जो भी आपको अचीव करना है, अगर आपको वेट लॉस करना है, जो भी करना है, इट्स गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो
Hmm.
पेशेंस, फर्स्ट थिंग इज पेशेंस.
Hmm.
मतलब डोंट गिव अप. ये
Give it.
यार नहीं हो रहा है,
Hmm.
एंड यू जस्ट, सो बी कंसिस्टेंट. आप जो
Hmm.
कर रहे हो करते रहो. अगर रिजल्ट नहीं मिला तो भी करते रहो. बी कंसिस्टेंट, वर्क हार्ड. तो
Hmm.
अल्टीमेटली रिजल्ट अच्छा ही होगा. इट्स लाइक दैट.
Okay.
सो
And thanks.
दैट्स माय एडवाइस कि जल्दी होगबाजी मत करो, आराम
Okay.
से.
Okay. So on that positive note, I think it's time to take leave. I thank you very much for taking out your valuable time and coming for this Zoom session and sharing all your thoughts regarding your fitness journey and regarding your. I will just I end this thing with your favorite running pick. Okay. So this week I think will be an inspiration to all the other female runners who want to start their journey. Okay, and I wish you a very good luck, a very healthy life. Like you said that it's your dream to run until your last breath. Okay, so may God fulfill that wish, and I wish you a happy Navratri to you and your family. Stay healthy, stay blessed, stay fit. Okay, bye, buddy,
Thank you so
and
much.
salute your running journey. A big salute. Bye.